Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add mobile phone frame to your videos using InShot. So first, you just need to prepare the mobile frame first. I create one on PixArt like this. It's PNG with no background. You can just save after you create one and open a new project on InShot. Here I'm going to use a blank canvas. Now you can add I'm going to change the canvas first, the size, and here I'm going to add the mobile frame as sticker. So just click on this and click on a plus icon, then choose the mobile frame. Okay, adjust the position, click on a check icon, and now I'm going to change the background in here. The color of the background, okay, I'm going to use this gradient one. You can adjust the duration to how you like it, and now you can click on PIP to add your videos. So I'm going to just find one in here. Okay, so for example, I want to have this video. You can adjust the size, and now for the extra part you can use masking. So click on the video and find mask. Here choose the size, and also you can adjust the age like this. Okay, you can click on a check icon and adjust the position again if it's still not right. Okay, so this is the result, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.